In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign employees to teams in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your team members show up in the right groups for scheduling, reporting, and everyday coordination. This is designed for the web version, and the process is quick once you know where everything lives. First, open your browser and log into QuickBooks Time. Any modern, up-to-date browser will work best. Make sure you're signed in with a role that can manage team details. If you don't have the right permissions, some options may not appear. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click My Team. This page is your roster, showing everyone in your organization. If you have a large list, use the search or filters to quickly find who you're looking for. Keeping your roster tidy will make assignments faster and more accurate. Next, select the team member you want to assign to a team. Clicking their name opens their profile, where you can review basic details and settings before you make changes. This is helpful to confirm you've got the right person, especially if multiple people have similar names. On the team member's profile, click Edit. This puts the profile into edit mode so you can make updates. The edit option is typically near the top of the page or alongside the profile details. Take a moment to look over the fields, but we'll stay focused on team assignment. Now, locate the Groups/Teams section. Depending on your setup, it may be labeled slightly differently, but it's the area where you connect this employee to the correct group. Groups or teams help you organize people by department, location, project, or supervisor, and they can streamline scheduling, time approvals, and reporting. Select the appropriate team for the employee. Choose the group that best matches how your organization actually works day to day. If your company uses multiple teams, pick the one that aligns with where this person needs to appear for scheduling and reports. When in doubt, follow your internal naming conventions so everyone is assigned consistently. Finally, click Save to apply the assignment. You should see the update reflected on the profile, and the change typically takes effect right away across schedules and filters. A quick review here helps ensure the person is now associated with the correct team. That's it. Log in, go to My Team, open the person's profile, click Edit, find groups or teams, make your selection, and save. Repeat the process for any other employees who need updates to keep your roster accurate. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.